Children, today I am starting exercise 5.7, higher order derivative. Exercise 5.7, question number 1. X square plus 3x plus 2, y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव का मतलब है कि एक से ज्यादा बार डिफरेंशिएशन करना। तो हम इसका 2 बार डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, 3 बार डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे। डू द सेकेंड डिफरेंशिएशन। तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन का 2 बार डिफरेंशिएशन करना है। डू द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन 2 टाइम्स। सो dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. This is first time differentiation. Do the differentiation of dy by dx once again. d by dx of dy by dx, dy by dx का दोबारा से डिफरेंशिएशन, that is equal to d by dx of dy by dx, that will become further d square y by dx square, dx into dx square, and d into d square y. This is the differentiation, and differentiation of 2x 2. So this is the double differentiation of x square plus 3x plus 2. Listen once again. This is the original question. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now differentiation of y, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. And differentiation of dy by dx, that is d by dx of dy by dx. 2x plus 3 was the original answer. Now differentiation of 2x plus 3, that will become 2. So d square y by dx square is equal to 2. So double differentiation of this question is 2. That is equation number 2. Similarly, we can do some more questions, children. Question number 3, x cos x. Question number 3, y is equal to x cos x. We can apply product rule here because x is the first function and cos x is the second function. So dy by dx will be equal to x into differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x, plus cos x as it is, differentiation of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus x sin x प्लस cos x. अब मुझे इसका दोबारा से डिफरेंशिएशन करना है. So d by dx, that can be written directly d square y by dx square. Now you can apply product rule here. X will be the first function and sin x will be the second function. So minus sign outside, x differentiation of sin cos x plus sin x differentiation of x, that is 1, plus cos x का differentiation minus sin x. Open it, minus x cos x minus sin x and minus sin x. So minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. So this is the final answer. Do the differentiation, children. I am repeating the question. Y is equal to x cos x. So differentiation of y, that is dy by dx. First function x, cos x is minus sin x. Cos x second function, differentiation of x is 1. Similarly, so you can write minus x sin x plus cos x. Now do the differentiation of x sin x by product rule, taking minus sign outside the bracket. So x is the first function, x differentiation of sin x, that is cos x, and sin x as it is, and differentiation of cos x minus sin x separately. After opening the bracket, we get this term minus x cos x minus sin x minus sin x. So minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. So minus x cos x minus 2 sin x is the final answer. Now do one more question. X square log x. Question number 5. X square log x. This was question number 1. Now question number 5. Y is equal to x square log x. So dy by dx is equal to, this is first function and this is second function. So dy by dx is equal to x square is the first function, log x, differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus log x second function, differentiation of x square is 2x. X is cancelled by one of the x, so answer will be x plus 2x log x. Now we have to do second differentiation or second time differentiation. So double differentiation of dy by dx, that can be written d square y by dx square. That is equal to, differentiation of x is 1 plus 2 outside. We can apply product rule here. This is first and this is second function. X is the first function, log x will be the second function. So differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x second function. So differentiation of x will be 1. So x is cancelled by x. So double differentiation will become equal to 1 plus 2, 1 plus log x. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 log x. So at last you can write 3 plus 2 log x. 3 plus 2 log x is the final answer. So I am repeating the same thing once again. Question is x square into log x. So use product rule because you are having first function x square and second function log x. So dy by dx is equal to x square as it is, differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus log x second function, differentiation of x square is 2x. X is cancelled by one of the x, so you will get x here. So x plus 2x log x. Take 2 outside and second time differentiation. Differentiation of x will become 1. 2 outside. Differentiation x will be the first function, log x will be the second function. So x into differentiation of log x 1 upon x plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. So x is cancelled by x. So this will become 1 plus log x. Multiplying 2 inside the bracket. So we will get 1 plus 2 plus 2 log x. So that will become 3 plus 2 log x. Final answer is 3 plus 2 log x. Do some more questions. Now question number 11. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Question number 11. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Prove that. To prove d square y, to prove डी स्क्वायर वाई बाय डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस y is equal to 0. This is we have to prove. So dy by dx is equal to 5 into cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Use bracket always. Minus 3 outside, differentiation of sin x, cos x. So that will become minus 5 sin x plus 3 cos x. This was dy by dx. Now differentiating again. So this will become d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 outside, differentiation of sin x, cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x. So this will become minus 3 sin x. Take minus sign outside. So double differentiation will become, taking minus sign outside, 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Children, listen this thing. Identify this thing. What is this thing? This is the original question. The 5 cos x plus 3 sin. So this was the value of y. So you can put the value of y from there. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. This is the value of y. Look from here. So furthermore, take minus y to the left hand side. D square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Do one more question, children. Now I am taking one more important example. Example 41. Example 41. Y is equal to sin inverse x. Example 41. Y is equal to sin inverse x plus, no, y is equal to sin inverse x. Now to prove 1 minus x square double differentiation, 1 minus x square double differentiation minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. You all know, children, differentiation of sin inverse x. Start from here. So dy by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. This is the first situation. So differentiation of y is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. Take 1 minus x square under root here, cross multiply. dy by dx is equal to 1. अगर हम इसको एज इट इज करेंगे तो इसमें हमें कोशेंट रूल लगाना पड़ेगा. अगर हम इसको इधर ले जाएंगे तो हमें प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाना पड़ेगा. कोशेंट रूल थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, प्रोडक्ट रूल थोड़ा छोटा होता है. Now do this differentiation. This is first function, this is second function. So under root 1 minus x square will be the first function. Differentiation of dy by dx, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx second function, and differentiation of under root, use chain rule, differentiation of under root 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square. This is the differentiation of under root, not the term inside the under root. This is the differentiation of under root only, not the differentiation of the term inside the under root. That is 1 differentiation of 1 is 0 or x square is minus 2x. So minus 2x. Differentiation of 1 will become 0. So under root 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus this 2 is cancelled by this 2. So minus x dy by dx into 1 upon 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Children, we have under root 1 minus x square extra term in the denominator. So throughout we will multiply under root 1 minus x square. Throughout we will multiply under root 1 minus x square. So multiplying under root 1 minus x square. So here it will become 1 minus x square without under root. So double differentiation dy by dx square minus x dy by dx into 1 minus x square under root upon 1 minus x square originally was there, that is equal to 0. So it will become 1 minus x square into double differentiation minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the final solution. Clear, children? Now I am repeating the same thing once again. This was the question and this was the result. So take this one. Differentiation of y is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Take under root 1 minus x square here. Under root 1 minus x square into dy by dx, it will become equal to 1. So we can apply product rule here between these two terms. So this is first term and this is second term. So first term is under root 1 minus x square and second term is dy by dx. So first term is under root 1 minus x square, differentiation of second, double differentiation, that is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx second term, and differentiation of under root 1 minus x square 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square, that is the differentiation of under root. Now the term inside the under root, that is minus 2x. So 2 is cancelled by 2, so remaining term is minus x here. So you can write minus x here. So under root 1 minus x square double differentiation minus x into dy by dx into 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. Now throughout multiplying by under root 1 minus x square. जब यहाँ अंडर रूट का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ से अंडर रूट रिमूव हो जाएगा. तो अंडर रूट 1 minus x square will become without under root 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx, and this term is cancelled by this term, so we will get 1 here. So ultimate total answer will become 1 minus x square dy square y by dx square minus x dy by dx equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Do some more question. Question number 13. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Question number 13. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, then prove that x square y2 plus xy1, x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. To prove y2 means double differentiation. y2 means double differentiation. And y1 means single differentiation. y2 means double differentiation and y1 means single differentiation. So write this question in this situation: x square double differentiation plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. अब लास्ट में हमें ये प्रूव करना है, ये क्वेश्चन है और ये प्रूव करना है। y2 मीन्स डबल डिफरेंशिएशन एंड y1 मीन्स सिंगल डिफरेंशिएशन. So this is the final solution we have to prove. Now this is the question. Y is equal to 3 cos log x. 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Now differentiation of y here, dy by dx is equal to minus 3 cos का बन जाएगा sin log x. पहले साइन का करेंगे फिर उसके अंदर एंगल का करेंगे, log x का बन जाएगा 1 upon x. Differentiation of cos minus sin and differentiation of log 1 upon x by chain rule plus 4 totally outside, differentiation of sin cos log x, differentiation of sin cos log x. Now differentiation of log x 1 upon x. Listen once again. Differentiation of cos minus sin log x. On differentiation of log x, that will become 1 upon x. Similarly, differentiation of sin cos log x and differentiation of log x 1 upon x. Throughout, because we are having x in denominator, so first of all we will multiply x throughout the equation. So x dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Here we can apply product rule. X into dy by dx. X into double differentiation dy by dx square plus dy by dx into 1 is equal to minus 3 साइन का बोलो, साइन का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है कॉस, तो माइनस 3 कॉस लॉग एक्स और लॉग एक्स का 1 अपॉन एक्स. सिमिलरली यहां सेम माइनस प्लस कॉस का हो जाएगा माइनस साइन, सो यू कैन अप्लाई माइनस डायरेक्टली, तो माइनस 4 साइन लॉग एक्स और लॉग एक्स का 1 अपॉन एक्स. So we are getting x in denominator once again. So remove this x by multiplying x throughout. Throughout multiplying by x. Multiplying by x. So it will become x square plus x dy by dx is equal to minus 3 outside cos log x minus, this will become plus because we are taking minus sign outside, 4 sin log x. Children, identify this term. What is this term? This is the question originally. This was the question. 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So this is the original question. So you can write y at the place of whole expression. इस पूरे की जगह आप y लिख सकते हो, ये y की वैल्यू. So final answer will become x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y. Take minus y to the left hand side. So x square double differentiation plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Or simply in this term we can write x square y2 means double differentiation, x y1 means single differentiation plus y equal to 0. So this is the answer. Understood, children? Listen once again. I am repeating the question once again. Y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So do the differentiation of cos only, that will become minus sin log x. अब log x का करना है, that is 1 upon x. Same thing here, sin x का, sin का, सिर्फ sin का, that is cos log x. फिर उसके बाद log x का, that is 1 upon x. क्योंकि यहाँ x डिनोमिनेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में x होगा तो हमें दोनों जगह क्वोशिएंट रूल लगाना पड़ेगा. तो पहले x को इधर लाओ, टेकिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई और डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो थ्रू आउट मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय x. So x dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. So x, because you are having x into dy by dx, so we can apply product rule in between x and dy by dx. So first function x, second function dy by dx. So x into dy by d square y by dx square plus dy by dx, or differentiation of x is 1. Here minus 3 sin log x, 3 cos log x into 1 upon x. माइनस cos का हो गया माइनस 5, तो माइनस 4 साइन log x into 1 upon x. Take minus sign totally outside, so it will become 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. और इस टर्म को ध्यान से देखो कि ये टर्म एग्जैक्टली ये वाली टर्म है, तो इसको हम y बोलेंगे, इस y को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ लिख दिया इसको y. x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y. माइनस वाई को इधर लाएंगे, दैट विल बिकम प्लस वाई. सो फाइनल आंसर इज एक्स स्क्वायर वाई टू प्लस एक्स वाई वन प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 0. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Question number 16, e raised to power y into x plus 1. E raised to power y into x plus 1. That is equal to 1. Prove that double differentiation is equal to single differentiation whole square. ये प्रूव करना है. So first of all, write e raised to power y here, and this is minus, this is 1 upon x plus 1. Differentiate it. Differentiation of e raised to power y. Differentiation of e raised to power y is e raised to power y, because differentiation of ex is ex and differentiation of ey is also ey, but we have to do the differentiation of y also. e raised to power y का differentiation e raised to power y और y का differentiation dy by dx equal to 1 upon x plus 1. This is the term numerator upon denominator, so we can apply quotient rule here. So x plus 1 will be the first function, differentiation of 1 will be 0 minus 1 into differentiation of x plus 1, that is also 1. First function x plus 1 and differentiation of 1 is 0, and x plus 1 will be the second function. No, once again, x plus 1 will be the first function, this is first and this is second, x plus 1 first function differentiation of 1 is 0 minus 1 and differentiation of x is 1 and 1 is 0. So this is 1 only. Dividing by x plus 1 whole square. So e raised to power y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Putting the value of e raised to power y. Listen children, what is the value of e raised to power y? Value of e raised to power y is 1 upon x plus 1. So put here, putting the value of e raised to power y from here. So 1 upon x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So you can cancel one of the term. So dy by dx will become equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole minus 1 upon x plus 1 only. This is the value of dy by dx. Now further, so dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Double differentiating, minus outside, x plus 1 first function, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus second function 1, differentiation of x plus 1 is 1, dividing by x plus 1 whole square. So double differentiation is also equal to minus outside and minus minus will become plus. This will become 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now from here, this was the equation number 2. We are having the value of 1 upon x plus 1. Value of 1 upon x plus 1. So d square y by dx square. इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करनी है अब आपको. So that is equal to minus dy by dx whole square. यहाँ से देखो बच्चों, dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1. ये माइनस इधर आ जाएगा और 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी माइनस dy अपॉन dx. 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी माइनस dy अपॉन dx और यहाँ होल स्क्वायर तो होल स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर के अंदर माइनस पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. सो राइट डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर. Now I am repeating children this question once again. So this was the question, e raised to power y x plus 1 is equal to 1. So writing in this form first, e raised to power y is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. E raised to power y into dy by dx. E raised differentiation of e raised to power y is e raised to power y and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Using quotient rule here, first function differentiation of second minus second function differentiation of first. So ये वाली टर्म टोटली जीरो हो जाएगी, बस ये वाली टर्म बचेगी और ये बन गया माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. अब e रेज टू पावर y की वैल्यू देखो आप यहाँ से, e रेज टू पावर y इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1. सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ e रेज टू पावर y 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 हियर, both the side we can cancel 1 upon x plus 1, 1 upon x plus 1, and here you are looking 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So one of the term is cancelled from both the side. So remaining answer is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now further, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Differentiating once again, that is double differentiation. Taking minus sign outside. First function x plus 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So further it will become d square y by dx square is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Putting the value of 1 upon x plus 1 from the equation number 2. So 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to minus dy by dx. ये वाला माइनस हट के यहाँ लग जाएगा और उसकी वैल्यू को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे और स्क्वायर होने के बाद ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. So this was your exercise. This was your exercise 5.7 children, and that is completed. Some more questions you can do. Thank you very much.